Menaal Aamir. Lots of video make you know my name actually. My name is Minsa Menaal Aamir. So today I'm going to tell a bedtime story. It's totally night actually. We have no time to make videos. So this is my friend Dolly. His topic story is Don't Be Mean to Little Animals. They're got powers too, and they can just pinch you too. Be careful and don't be greedy. Once upon a time, there was a snake called the king snake. Then he was the mighty snake. He was very mean to all the creatures. Then when they found another home, then he said, "This forest is only mine." Then the birds do a hard question. Then he make it up actually. The bird said one time, "Oi, royalty, what's wrong with you? Are you gonna take my home?" Then the bird says, "The little animal is fear with the cold." "Okay, I said 100 times, this is my house. And now get away! Hiya! Ow! Sorry." So, all the creature went to the frog granny house. Then she said, "I got an idea." And the idea was, said to the snake, "Go to the anthill, it's more fluffier. Then he will teach a lesson." Do you know what is it? I will tell you then. The bird says, "Hello, mighty king. The ant tree is more fluffier and calmer. And it's so fluffy you cannot exist in. So leave this boring apple tree." Then the snake said, "Okay, I'm gonna go to the anthill." So he taught a lesson. He go to the anthill, waving and hurry, wavy. Then when he arrived in the anthill, then he struck to the ants, shoutly, like, "Get out of my house!" The ant said, "Hey, mister, do you wanna live in here?" Then he said, "Yes, I wanna live in here, but you get out right here and right now." Then the ant, just so angry, then they jump like this, then beep, 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 beep. The snake the ant said, "Don't come here ever again. If you come again, then we will pinch you like this. Ow!" Then the snake taught a lesson. That was 2 seconds or 1 second? So that's, and the meaning is, don't be greedy to little animals. They're so cute or dangerous. She is totally not talking. Excuse me, I'm talking. Then why do you not talk when the cameras are out? Because I'm a little shy. Oh, you silly. So bye!